Whenever someone talks to me about Abu Dhabi, they are amazed with Abu Dhabi's position in itself as a global destination for events. Every year we have the F1 Grand Prix happening in Abu Dhabi in November. In addition to that, we have UFC. And last year we had NBA for the first time in Abu Dhabi. This summer we will have the US national team having their pre-World Cup preparation match in Abu Dhabi. Even in terms of attracting musical events, there's a lineup of different events that will happen in the next 6 months, including Gun N' Roses, Backstreet Boys. You could come to Abu Dhabi and experience the fun and the adrenaline that Yas experience can offer, which attracts families and also couples who likes adventure activity. Others comes to restore on the beautiful beach, which is the best in the region. We look at every touch point of the consumer journey from the minute that they leave their country all the way to the moment that they go back home and they would love to share their experience. So we work closely with our key airline partner, Etihad, Air Arabia, Wizz Air, to make sure when people get on a plane and they want to land in Abu Dhabi, the experience starts from that point of time.